Writing emails can feel overwhelming. Like, where do you even start? But the good news is, you don't need to be a writer to send emails people enjoy reading. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It can handle the heavy lifting and give you a draft in seconds. A lot of beginners get stuck because they don't know what tone to use or how to make an email sound natural. But with ChatGPT, you can type in a simple prompt and it will create a friendly draft that you can tweak to your style. You can pause the video here if you want to grab the prompt or just swap in your own topic to make it fit your niche. Once you've got your draft, paste it into your email tool, hit send, and you're good to go. It's a simple way to stay consistent without stressing over what to write. If you want to go even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder comes with a 7-figure faceless framework and AI Prompt Vault, giving you pre-written prompts and proven structures so your emails are persuasive and beginner-friendly. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to write emails that convert, even if writing isn't your thing. Check the link in the description to get started today.